Hey everybody, Zach here. Welcome back to the channel. It's time for another Shiba Inu update, midnight edition style, late night, at least here on the East Coast of the United States. If you're watching this on the other side of the world, good morning to you. And it's time to talk about Shiba Inu. Good morning to you, Shiba Inu. See what I did there? So we got some interesting news we're going to get into. You probably saw this on the thumbnail, but Shiba Inu and NFTs. So let's start right here and jump right into it. Let's waste no time. Are you into SHIB and NFTs? Great news. You can now sell your art in OpenSea using SHIB. SHIB's utility and acceptance keeps growing. So I think this is really big. Obviously, it's a first step into the NFT space, but SHIB also has the art incubator. And that is an area that I've talked about quite a bit with Shiba Inu, and I think it's an underrated area that perhaps isn't talked about enough, right? So this was a big tweet. It's gained a lot of traction. I think obviously OpenSea is an enormous platform now that you can use SHIB there. I think this is an area that isn't talked about, right? It's not the major catalysts. It's not the Robinhood or the Coinbase or the Binances of the world or the Weebles of the world, which the Weeble news should be coming soon for us, so that'll be big. But it is an area that is so early. Speaking of NFTs, and I love that SHIB is already looking in that direction. Now, if you head over to their actual website, you'll see they have an art section. If we scroll down here, I'll show you that. And here it is. We are proud to support ingenuity in all its forms. With the Shiba Inu incubator, the SHIB army is made up of talented individuals who have united to build something remarkable. We support this by cultivating an environment which encourages creativity and growth. So they've had this up there for a long time, and we saw that they did a little bit with the esports arena. Hasn't really come to fruition. We haven't seen anything else like that. I don't know if that Shiba Stadium is going to last or not. I think it's a really cool idea. I love that they're trying new things, but there is something here in the NFT space. And the fact that they're trying to crack the code, they meaning the dev team and the Shiba Inu, people at the top making the decisions, they're trying to crack this code with NFTs. I think it's big, and they're taking a big step. And I think this is bigger news than a lot of people are making it. And it'll be interesting to watch, first off, how NFTs evolve, right? And then secondly, how SHIB evolves with them. Because I think this is an area with a ton, and I mean a ton of potential. And you don't have to fully understand NFTs to understand that they're going to be big. And that is kind of where I'm at right now in NFTs. I get why some NFTs exist, but recently I saw YouTube content creators taking pictures of themselves and selling them as NFTs. Crazy, but it's there. It's a thing. And I guess in some ways that does make some sense. But the fact that SHIB itself, the ecosystem, is looking into this area, I wanted to start the video with this because I think this is big. Now, stay with us because we're going to take a look at the charts. We're going to take a look at TradingView. We're still consolidating here, but I think that's good. I know a lot of people want to see this price take a meteoric rise and just, take off. And I think that's still, possible. But right now we're in that consolidation phase. But the good thing is what usually happens after consolidation is a breakout. Now, before we jump into it, I do want to talk about our private community. This link is down in the description. For as low as $10 per month, you can jump into the Discord. Now, if you want to up the ante a little bit, go $20 per month. You're going to get in the Discord, of course, but you're going to get buy and sell trade alerts. And oh yeah, one-on-one portfolio help. I'll take a look at your portfolio, not financial advice, just for entertainment, informational purposes only, but I'll tell you what I would be looking into as it relates to your individual portfolio. And you're going to join over 100 patrons talking crypto all day, all night, all the time. And also you're going to get group portfolio shared access, as well as some hot weekly crypto alerts to let you know what I'm buying, what I'm selling, and what I'm at least looking at that time. So let's take a look at the overall crypto market. Up 2% right now, a little over 2% at the time of this recording. $2.15 trillion market cap overall. Love seeing that. What I've done here is something interesting. So I've shuffled today's cryptocurrencies here in the top 100 by cheapest price, just to kind of show you what's out there in the top 100 as it relates to really cheap assets. Now, Shiba Inu right now ranked number 44, and it is by far the cheapest, right? It's nowhere near anything else. BitTorrent is a little closer. As you can see here, it's ranked number 46. You got You got HOT, which is hollow, which is about 1 cent, and Siacoin at 2 cent, Telecoin at 2 cent. There's AMP making some great moves today, up about 13% at 6 cents. Digibyte, Tron, and Zilliqa. Zilliqa is one that I think is a sleeper. VeChain, of course, you all know how I feel about VeChain. Harmony One has some really interesting projects in the future that a lot of people are very bullish on. You all know I like Crypto.com and that token. There's Dogecoin down there. But I just wanted to pull this up, kind of give you an idea of what this looks like when you sort the top 100 by cheapest assets. SHIB and BitTorrent at the top. Now let's jump into TradingView here. Take a look at the SHIB price. We are hovering in this 8.2 range, and we've been here just about all day long. And we're continuing to stay right in this range here. And we'll take a look at some of the technicals here in just a minute. But here we go. Here's your price point. Instead of looking at the bar chart, we'll take a look at this, and we can see it doesn't look like much, but from August 5th, we have made a nice little pop-up. So here was this consolidation period from the end of July. You know, we were down here at the 06, then we popped back up to the 08. We got all the way up to the 9.4, 9.5 level. Now back into that consolidation phase, but things are looking good. You see this straight line path, or very close to straight line path. I think an inevitable boost upward is coming with the entire market. Now, let's take a look at the technicals, and somebody's firing up their motorcycle just outside, so apologies if you can hear that, but still rated a strong buy right now. And let's take a look at best level to buy and hold here. They've got some technicals. Hopefully I can understand this. Sometimes this stuff gets way deep in the weeds. But let's see here. Let's see. SHIB summary. Here we go. Let's go right to the summary. Strong bullish chart overall. Setup still valid. Accumulation is in progress. So right now they're saying that things are just accumulating, or in other words, consolidating. Few weeks, so for now, recommend. Let's see. Okay, let's go back up here. And so he's got a couple different looks here. This is the 16-hour chart review outlook. Best level to buy and hold, 100% gains. So the accumulation range is set up right here where you see these green dots, or these red dots at the 09 level. We can hit play and kind of see where this plays out here. Right now at the 8.2 level. So this is kind of right in that buy and hold area. So they're essentially saying with this technical look that the best bet is to buy and or hold. For me right now, I'm holding. I'm holding steady. I got into the 06 level. That's my new 06.1 is kind of my new level where I'm hanging out and I'm holding. I'm enjoying it. I'm still in the green. And I think big things are coming down the line for SHIB. Webull should be right around the corner. Coinbase, where are you? Calling Coinbase. Somebody drop down in the comments how you feel about Coinbase. But be nice. That should get things rolling, I would expect. But thanks so much for stopping by the channel. If you got some value here, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.